Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Suthar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. Today in this tutorial, I will explain Treemap chart in the Power BI. Let's move to the screen. So first and foremost, we are going to hit the Windows button and type the Power BI desktop. The Power BI desktop application will appear on the top of the list. Just click on the Power BI desktop application icon and it will open. So once the application will open, you will see this pop-up window. From the pop-up window, you can create the new one as well, or you can use the recently created Power BI desktop file. So I will use the recently created one that I will just click on that. And here is the canvas where I will create a tree map in a moment. So here I have given the name of the tree map chart of this canvas. My canvas is completely blank this time. To create any chart, click anywhere in the blank area, go to the visualization, build visual, and here you will see the available chart. From the available chart, here is the tree map that I will click, and the blank tree map chart pop up on the canvas. Once blank chart pop up on the canvas, we are able to see the fields where we are going to provide the data. So we are going to provide the data as category, details, and value, which is which is more or less the same as the pie chart, but let's add the value and see the visualization. So here I will use the supermarket sale data. I will expand it. Inside the category, I will bring the product line. Details, I will not include anything at this time, but for the values, I will include the gross income. And here is my simple tree map chart is ready. So Treemap is going to just rate the category depend on the values. The biggest value will available on the top left side and the smallest value will available on the bottom right side. And this is according to the values, sum of the value or the counts of the value. The most bigger value will available on the top left and most smallest value available on the bottom right. And here is our chart is ready. Now let's go to do some formatting part. Click on the visual first. Go to the format your visual and you will see here legends. Let's include the legend and see what's going to happen. So once I include the legend, so legend it is the product line that's available on the top left. You can change the position by expand the legend options, and here is the position you can change. Text formatting you can do text formatting here. For the title of the legend, that's also you can change it from here. I will keep it auto because I don't require to change it. Colors, here the colors we have provided the product line. So there are six product line in our data set and colors are available here. If you want to change the color of any of the category, you are able to change it from here from the colors. I will keep it auto. Data labels, I haven't included the data labels, that's why we cannot see any data labels available here. So let's include the data label, turn it on, and we will see the data label available in every box available in the tree map chart. All the category name and the values are present in its particular box. Now do the formatting here. If you want to do the formatting for the labels, you are able to do the text formatting here. Text color, display unit. So currently display unit available in 1000. That display unit you are able to change it from here 1000 to million, billion or trillion according to the requirement. Currently the thousands are fine, so I will just hide it. Go to the category labels. So category labels also it is active default for me. So category labels are available here, which is the same as the legend, so it is a duplicate. If you don't want to keep the category label, you are going to just turn it off, but I will just keep it on. But I will turn off the legend because it is a duplicate, because my category names are already available in the category labels. So that's pretty fine with me. Here also you can perform the text formatting for the category labels and change the color of the text. So that's obviously fine with me. I will not change it. And those all four options we are going to change it if you want to change anything for the data that we have provided. Now for more part, I will do the chart formatting here. Go to the general title. I will change sum of gross income by product line. I will change it to the gross income by product line. I will bring it to center. I will add a divider, and that's all. That's my title is complete. I'm fine with this title. In the effects, I will add the background color. I will include the visual border, make it rounded corner, and I will include a shadow, and shadow will appear, but default is outside and bottom right. You can explore the option available inside. That's all for me. And I will click anywhere in the outside, and here I can see my complete tree map is ready. This is the basic tree map. There is one more option, is a detail. That's let's try to explore. So click on the chart, and here under the build visual we will see the details. Now currently we have provided the 6 category product line. That's a 6 product line. Now inside the product line, if you want to split each product line into the multiple subcategory, such as let's say gender is a one category, so I will bring the gender to the details and we will see in a moment. And here it is. Now our each category separated by the subcategory, male and female, and that's we can see. And it is following the same thing. The top left position available, it is presenting the biggest value, and bottom right available value, it is the smallest value. And complete Treemap chart is following the same pattern all the time, so there is nothing to change. It is going to help the users to visualize the which category is consuming the biggest value, which category is the smallest value. Now instead of the sum, you are able to perform it, change the aggregation from available options here by average, minimum, maximum, count, deviation, whatever you wanted to. So I will keep it default, and here is my complete tree map is ready with the details as well. Let's go to the formatting and see whether we can do any formatting after adding the details. So I will go to the formatter visuals in the data labels. There are no more option available for the formatting as well, so we are unable to see that one. So that's all we can do for the formatting as well. So click anywhere in the blank area and see, this is my complete Treemap chart is ready. I hope you liked today's video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.